Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to fix a broken zipper, the bag that I bought for $8.3 at the flea store. So here it is, and this is the bag that I have bought, just very cheap, and it looks brand new to me. And let's see if I can fix this. This is the broken zipper. I'm gonna fix this and use this. Oh, it's fixed. Oh yeah, baby. And now it is fixed. There it goes. See, it's all fixed. I have broke the one slider, so actually there are two sliders in there, and I have broke the other one, so I will just use this one slider only. Okay, and we have prepared this fella bag that I've bought for only $8.3 at the flea store. Look, it's repaired already. Okay, and please watch out for my upcoming video on how to repair this pair of shoes. Look at that I have bought for only $2.8 at the flea store. Also, I'm gonna use this for my bike adventures. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.